Hello guys. Hi guys. Now we have kofta adani bil Arabic and by English chicken patty. We have here minced chicken, parsley, chopped parsley, minced onion and red pepper, salt, and for our spices we have paprika, mixed spices, coriander and black pepper. Now we will going to mix all our ingredients with the minced chicken. All in the bowl, all spices, salt, and 2 tablespoons of flour. First thing, you form everything in the bowl, in the balls, and then form it into patties like this. And we will going to fry it, or it's up to you if you want to grill it or fry it. Everything is up to you. Guys, our chicken patties we have to serve it with mashed potato. Now with our mashed potato, we have boiled potato, butter, little nutmeg, salt, and cream. Mix them all so that you can produce a creamy mashed potato. Now guys, this is the way we cook the chicken patties. I decided to fry it, and it's up to you if you want to grill it. You have to fry it slowly in medium heat. Now guys, this is our fried veal patties, chicken patties with the mashed potato. Best served with mashed potato. I hope you like it. Enjoy.